Say hi. Hi, video. Hello. Welcome to Germany. Hey guys, good morning. We are starting the day with a wrap again. I ordered one for me this time. I got jealous of yesterday. I realized it's actually yummy. Here's the husband. Hello everyone. We weren't able to go to the outlet store because it is closed for today. To tell you why, here's my husband. Tell them why it's closed.
German holiday.
It's a German public holiday. Today is October 3rd. And what were they, what's the holiday about?
Back when it was West and East Germany, they reunited.
So something like that. So, akalaan nyo yun guys. Public holiday and yung malls nila closed. They said like all the shops are closed. We googled it and they said all the shops are closed except for like museums, parks, like tourist attractions. I think there's like a law in Germany like prohibits employment during public holidays. It's crazy because that would never be in SM. Literally, even on Christmas Day, open ang SM, di ba? Hindi tuloy na tuloy ang window shopping. Nakakaloka. So, I googled some places na pwede kaming magpicture, mga parks na pwede kaming maglakad-lakad because look at the weather. It's so nice. So, yeah, dito kami ngayon parang mga 10-minute drive away from the outlet mall and we're just gonna go walk around and take pictures. So, we'll bring you guys along. So apparently this is how it's called. Herzog Schloss something. I don't know. The King of Bavaria lives in here. Wow. Oh. He's reading it. So guys, ito yung harap niya, I guess. Oh, so nice. Tapos ito yung parang plaza. O diba? Ang luwag-luwag. I think the other one that I showed you is their backyard. Sabi!
And that's a period.
So as you can see guys, we're walking and there are shops left and right, but nothing's open. Like they're all closed because of the public holiday. Crazy. So you gotta make sure when you go to Germany, October 3rd, nothing's gonna be open, okay? So you make sure of that because that's countrywide. It's just not in specific areas. Show them, babe. It's all empty. That's crazy. So yeah, let's go to our next photo spot. Here's another like plaza style kind of place. Love that the trees are like bright lime green-ish. It's getting yellow, sign of autumn. There are like leaves on the floor. Love that. Hi. It's the blue sky and the green. What is that face? It's so nice. We're just gonna keep walking and see what we can see over here. This is the next spot, guys. Look at this. Look at all this architecture. I love that. All the flowers over here. They got some plants and there's some water, body of water over here. I don't know what we should call that. I don't know if that would pass as a river, but yeah, this is where we're gonna walk. Look at this statue. Who is this? Who is Bismarck, babe?
He was the leader of Germany during World War One.
Okay,
I can't read it though. It's German.
it's all in German. Here you go. That is Mr. Bismarck. Up close and personal with all of these structures over here. I'm not really sure what they are, if they're government offices, if they are residences. I'm not really sure, but they look so pretty. Hey guys, so this part right here, when I searched this in Google Maps, I saw a comment that says it's nice to get married here. I'm not sure if this is one of those buildings that you can just go into and register your marriage, but just look at this. Show it to them, babe. It's actually super nice. So if you actually get married here, you get out, take pictures. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm talking to the cameraman. You gonna get married again? This is what we ordered. We got some schnitzel with mushroom sauce, some fries, we got some spaghetti, and some salad. Yay!
Bruh.
Anong magagawa? Laging natutulala.
Oh my God!
Hey guys, just a quick update. We finished our dinner already from the restaurant. The hub said that his pasta, at first it was okay and then it went downhill. Kasi sabi niya, parang nalalasahan mo niya parang mga herbs, so parang basil and oregano kind of taste. And it was too much for him. But for me, my order, oh my gosh, that schnitzel with the mushroom sauce, it was the bomb. I'm telling you, it was so good. And after that, we went outside and then we came here in like an open plaza. As you can see, meron siyang fountain sa likod. And then there's still like architectural like houses. And there's like a church. Naka-face track ako, hindi niyo makita yung church, pero I'll show it to you. And also yung weather, aircon weather. Uulan ng konti, but it will stop, and then you can walk again, and you'll not even sweat. Guys, akala nyo ba ang Germany walang akyat bahay? What? Apparently, meron pa rin silang akyat bahay. Kaya mo yan. Sige, go.